Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today just wanted to do an update video for Rylee's progress here. Just to kind of bring anybody up to speed that hasn't been watching our videos before. Rylee is she's almost 1 year old.
Almost one.
She's our only child, and she has cancer called Neuroblastoma, and we're here at St. Jude staying in their Target house for her treatment. So she just got done with her second round of chemo, and she's doing pretty good. She's still pretty smiley. Let me see that smile.
Oh.
Let me see that smile. Rylee.
He's like, no.
There it is. She got knocked down a peg, I would say.
Yeah, she's a little tired today. She had 3 different types yesterday. So it was 1 day of actual chemo, but 3 different types. So it was a long day. We were there for like over 12 hours.
Right. Yeah.
Long day.
Yeah, we got home close to 1 o'clock.
In the morning.
We got
there at like 11.
This morning. And so long day, but you know, she's doing pretty good. I would say
we've stayed ahead of like the nausea, so she hasn't thrown up at all, which is awesome.
Yeah, so we expected this one to be a little bit harder on her. Obviously, the first one you wouldn't even tell that she had it. No, you couldn't even tell. You know, she was pale, paler than normal, but
And I'm sure this will start to kick in. They say so. We do 21-day cycles. Yes, and between days, 7 and 14, her counts are down the lowest, and then they kind of go back up, and then we'll start day 1 again. Tomorrow, we actually go in. She gets an injection after her chemos, too. Usually 24 to 36 hours, they give her an injection to kind of help boost those like white blood cells, red blood cells, all those counts, because they know that they're going to be taking a hit. So we will see how it ends up going, but overall she's doing really good.
Yeah. I mean, if you didn't know her baseline, you would think that she's perfectly normal and her normal self, and she is to a certain extent, but she's definitely a little less bubbly today. She had a little bit of, she was a little bit puffy looking this morning and stuff like that.
They give her a lot of fluids and stuff too.
Yeah, we are super thankful that she's not like, reacting to the chemo.
She's losing her hair.
Worse, yeah, she is starting to lose her hair.
It's not coming out in patches, but just
Ooh, that was a pretty big patch.
She's just shedding like crazy. Don't do that.
That was the first time. Yeah. Oh man.
It's not.
Anyways,
That's to be expected.
Yeah,
anyway.
we expect that kind of stuff, but
we got a big month coming up. It's her birthday.
Yeah, so take note of what her hair looks like right now, because it's probably not going to last very long. So, but anyways, did you have anything else you wanted to add?
No, I just wanted to update. Everyone's following. Thank you. We're getting lots of love still. I have like 1 million thank you cards. I don't know if I'll ever get them all out, but yeah, thank you to everybody that's been keeping up and reaching out. We hear you, and even though we can't reply out right away, it always helps. So
yeah, like she said, thank you everybody. As far as like the GoFundMe and everything, obviously that's kind of slowing down, and we are just so thankful for everybody. If I haven't sent you a message, just know there's so many people that we had to reach out to that just haven't got to everybody yet. So anyways, thank you so much, guys. That is the update for Rylee. She is doing well considering what's going on, and St. Jude is treating us very well. So thank you guys very much. I'm going to either see you at St. Jude's or on the water. See you. Trust the process.